Good morning, you guys, and happy Sunday. Today I thought I'd bring you guys along for my Sunday reset routine. I feel like I've never showed you like my full routine. I've definitely showed little snippets in my vlogs, but never like a full Sunday with me. So I'm excited. There's honestly nothing better than a good Sunday. Good Sunday reset. I think it's really important to end your week on a good note and start the new week on an even better note. Waking up on a Monday morning and everything's clean and tidy and in its place and you feel refreshed and recharged and cared for. Like there's truly nothing better. So my Sundays are typically a mix of cleaning and tidying and setting myself up for the week, but then also self-care and like relaxing and doing things that make me feel good, especially after a busy week. So that is exactly what we're going to be doing today. I'm just ice rolling my face. I've had a shower. It's 8:45 and I'm going to put some makeup on and then get going with my day. But yeah, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Ella. I'm 26 and I live in Adelaide. I do a lot of vlogs, lifestyle content, as well as budgeting and personal videos. Yeah, personal. Money is personal. Personal finance videos as well. So if that is your vibe, feel free to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out and I really appreciate it. Yeah, let's chuck on some makeup and get on with our day, shall we? Alright, I've written myself a little to-do list for today, just so I can keep track of what I want to get done. First thing was to get ready, which we've done. Look at that. So accomplished. Second thing is to go grocery shopping. We typically go usually on a Monday night, but sometimes on a Sunday. It really depends what we have going on for the week. And tomorrow we have plans. So gonna get the grocery shopping done nice and early before the shops get too busy. Gonna grab a coffee as well while we're out and then come home, have some breakfast, do the laundry. I have a bunch to put away. Exhibit A. Exhibit B. Put together our bar stools, whiten my teeth, clean our kitchen, the bathrooms, descale the coffee machine as well. I need to do that. And then, yeah, just general tidying up, organizing. I'm gonna work on organizing our wardrobe as well because I ran out of hangers last week. Finally got into the zone. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna organize our wardrobe. It's gonna be so beautiful, so aesthetic. And then halfway through, I ran out of hangers. And it's really taken a lot of time to regain that motivation that I had, so gonna finally do that. And then yeah, just general planning and tidying for the week, and then a bit of self-care. I want to tan as well because she's looking mighty pale and I have a bunch of content that I want to get done next week, so I want to look nice and fresh and glowy for that. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. I don't know about anyone else, but I feel like putting together your grocery list and deciding what to cook for the week is probably the hardest part about adulting. Okay, Monday, fish tacos. Tuesday, roasted vegetable pasta. Wednesday, chili. Thursday, chickpea curry. We just need something for Friday. Maybe like a Caesar salad, yeah?
Yeah, that was nice when we did that.
We don't even have to do it on Friday, but and it's quick and easy as well. Okay, so we just need beef mince and bacon bits for me, I think.
Why don't we need beef? Oh, for chili.
Can you just check if we have kidney beans in the pantry, please? Thank you. Thank you. And how many tin tomatoes as well?
1 tin of kidney beans.
Yeah.
And I'm going to say 6 tins of...
6? That's excessive. Okay, we're good then.
What do you buy 2 every week?
I just feel like tin tomatoes are the staple of a pantry.
We've also somehow got 3 different like brands.
Oh, love that diversity. Here's our grocery list. We brainstorm dinner ideas so we know what we're cooking for the week, and then write all the ingredients. And I break it up into sections depending on the grocery store. Guys, time for a quick little grocery haul. Also, how freaking cute are the new Chibo Christmas cups? I'm obsessed. I mean, they're no Starbucks, but very cute nonetheless. Yeah, did all of our grocery shopping for the week. It came in at around $95. For meat this week, we got some diced bacon because I'm making a Caesar salad, some beef mince for chili. I got some shredded slaw because we're having fish tacos. Iceberg lettuce, a bunch of bananas, red capsicum, and a courgette or zucchini. I also got a couple of avocados. There's another one somewhere. A couple of my protein yogurts from Aldi. Also got some eggnog, my first eggnog of the season. Very exciting. Some light milk, mayo, tempura style frozen fish for our fish tacos. Also got this for our fish tacos because we ran out. It's the creamy mild chili mayo, so good. Some peanut butter, these tuna ready meals, brown rice and quinoa, and then Sicilian pasta, a couple of cans of tuna. Also got some pine nut because I'm making roasted vegetable pasta, and these are really good in that. Also got some caramel chocolate, soy milk for my oats and smoothies, and then a soft taco kit. Also got some deodorant as well because I was running low, and then a couple of loaves of bread. This one will freeze, and then the rest we'll use for making croutons for the Caesar salad, and then this is just like our regular bread for the week, mixed grain. And yeah, that's it. A bit of a smaller shop this week, but we did a bigger shop last week and we still have some stuff left over. So I'm gonna put all of this away now. Okay, groceries are away. The lawn has been mowed by Mr. Nicholas, which has become part of our Sunday routine, I won't lie. A new addition, because we've never been lawn people. Our first rental was an apartment, so we didn't have any garden, and then our last rental, there was just bark everywhere, so we had no lawn to mow. We had to get a lawnmower. Nick's out there every weekend mowing the lawn. It is a commitment. I never realised how much a commitment having a lawn was.
It's also the sort of thing, if you do it regularly, it's not too bad. I feel like shaving your beard.
And it is very satisfying when it's done. It looks good. He's very proud of his lawn. Anyway, I'm gonna cut up some strawberries. We went strawberry picking yesterday. So we have some fresh straws that I'm gonna cut up with some Greek yogurt. Oh, look how good those look. Unreal.
Thank you so much.
Flagging a little bit, so I'm gonna make ourselves a cup of coffee before I descale the coffee machine. How cute are these mugs from Kmart? Obsessed. You know it's a proper Sunday reset when you finally wash your emotional support water bottle for the first time in a little too long. The cleaning is done, apart from this room. This room, it's just a work in progress. I will get to it eventually, maybe this coming week. Maybe that'll be one of my goals this week. I just like don't really have the motivation right now, just keeping it 100% real. Could I clean this room? Absolutely. Do I have the time to clean this room? Absolutely. Do I want to clean this room? No, I don't. So I'm not going to. Do you know what I want to do? I want to take a big fat afternoon nap. There's honestly nothing better than a Sunday afternoon nap. There really isn't. So I'm going to take an afternoon nap before we head to my parents' house. We have a couple hours before we're going to leave. So I just want to like recharge and reset. It's a Sunday reset, right? The thing about a Sunday reset or a reset routine is it's so individual. It's so personal. Like it really depends what makes you feel good. Like what works for me might not work for you. You might not prioritize napping, and that's so fair. But I know that that makes me feel good, so I'm gonna do it. The only reason I really clean is because I know it makes me feel good. When I wake up on a Monday morning, clear space, clear mind, like it just makes me feel good. It gives me clarity, and I just, yeah, feel a lot more focused and a lot more motivated. So it's just whatever works for you. I like to fake tan and whiten my teeth, and I have that whole routine because that's what makes me feel good, but it's so dependent on the individual. And for me today, I need a nap. So I'm gonna take one, but before I do, I want to plan for the week because this, again, is something that makes me feel good. I like to have a good overview of the upcoming week just so I know what to expect. It makes me feel like I have a little bit more control over my life, even though I have absolutely none. So I'm gonna go ahead and plan for the week. I usually alternate between using my physical planner and also my Google Cal and doing it digitally. Why is that such a hard word to say? Time to put together these bar stools. They're actually really easy to put together. We have 2 already here. We just ordered another couple for here as well. Home from my parents' house. Just put on a fresh tan, so I'm looking nice and glowy, ready for tomorrow. I want to take it one step further though and whiten my teeth. You guys know, if you've been keeping up the vlogs, I've been using the Colgate Optic White Pro Series daily whitening toothpaste for the last few weeks. Actually, probably like a month now. And I've noticed the biggest difference in my teeth, especially as a heavy coffee drinker. And as part of my self-care routine, which I typically do on a Sunday, I've also been using the Colgate Optic White LED whitening kit just once a week on a Sunday evening. So I wake up Monday morning with a nice fresh white smile. So it comes with the overnight pen, which just looks like this. And then this is the LED whitening device. Super easy to use. The LED device is powered by hundreds of these tiny indigo LED lights, which are spread out across the mouth tray. And these indigo lights will supercharge the hydrogen peroxide, which is in this pen. It's like a hydrogen peroxide serum, which creates better and faster whitening results. So this is what it looks like when it's all powered up. Look at that. I don't know if the camera's gonna do it justice, but look how many lights there are. So cool. I feel like I'm having a little party in my bathroom. Oh, hello. In my bathroom whenever I do this. So they recommend using it overnight, which is why I'm doing it at 10 p.m. on a Sunday evening. And they also recommend dabbing your teeth with a tissue. I don't have tissue, so I'm literally using toilet paper. Sue me. Just so that the hydrogen peroxide sticks better when you apply it. So I'm going to dab my teeth dry. And then just get this pen, give it a few clicks, the serum, and just apply it. It is enamel safe and it's designed for no tooth sensitivity, in case anyone's worried, because I know that's something I'm really conscious about. It's so easy. 10 minutes later and I'm all done. It's really as easy as that, just 10 minutes per day for professional level whitening, which we'll love to see. I'm now going to read a couple more chapters of my book. I just started this one, The Christmas Wish by Lindsay Kelk. I just felt like a fun festive read. I think this one's a new release, so I'll let you guys know how I like it. But I'm going to end off this vlog here. Thank you so much for coming along for a little Sunday in my life. I love you guys, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye!